Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration NK68UVZ. 2018 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TSI 130 PS Low Roof DCab Limited L2. It has done 108,000 miles with wet belt changed at 103,000. It's a factory-fitted crew cab with 2 owners from new. The van comes with heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, 2 keys, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen. It does have a few blemishes and marks around the vehicle that are reflected in the price, mainly the back doors. Reparable at additional cost. Van was previously a Category S. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.